I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a Cadillac CTS key fob. Sit in the driver's seat with doors closed and both the original key and new fob ready. Cycle the ignition on then OFF 3 times ending on without starting the engine to enter programming mode. Press and hold the lock button on the new fob until the doors cycle to confirm programming. Test all buttons and turn ignition off to exit. Before you begin, make sure the new fob is compatible with your Cadillac CTS and the battery is fresh. Have any original programmed key available because some models require an existing key to enter programming. If you lack an original key, visit a locksmith or dealer to obtain the correct programming adapter before attempting steps. Gather basic tools like the owner's manual and a small screwdriver for access panels and clear distractions to common issues include the fob not entering programming mode, unresponsive buttons, or doors not cycling to confirm. If programming fails, replace the fob battery and repeat the ignition cycle exactly as instructed. Timing matters. Check for software locks by trying the original key to verify the vehicle accepts programming and consult the owner's manual for model-specific steps. When all else fails, contact a dealer or automotive locksmith for diagnostic tools and secure reprogramming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.